got this knockdown kind of plywood display shelf for the knife show on Saturday. All sort of stocked together with the sort of half and half cuts. Got some big thick supply at the back for small and medium knives. Got a little bit on top there I can have for bits of paracord. I can hang ferro rods off of the handles. They're actually handles, and as you can see there, Bowie knife shaped shelves. So yeah, I thought it'd be a bit of fun, bit of giggles, but yeah, it adds a bit of height to the stall. So I'll have my normal flip top glass thing for things like you know, what I make, and the actual things for sale can go on there. See you Saturday.